When I got my first taste of the thing called alcohol, I was a mad dog. Struggling on bed, taking lights out, bring your